G'day guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make the perfect cappuccino using our Barista Bru Gemelli espresso machine. Firstly, you need to measure your coffee beans. For the perfect brew, we recommend 9 to 10 grams for a single shot of espresso and 16 to 18 grams for a double shot of espresso. Once you have your desired amount of beans, you can add it to our electric coffee bean grinder and make sure that you select the grind size to 1, which is the fine grind and is the recommended grind for these machines. Once you have completed that, you can add the grind to your portafilter that comes with the coffee machine. You can use the needle distributor to even out the grind, reducing any lumps in order for an even flow of water through the mixture. You then use the distributor tool to even out the grind, and lastly the tamper to flatten and tamper out and even out the grind even more. Once done, connect your portafilter to the machine and get ready to start your brew. Switch your machine on via the power button. Once doing this, your machine will start warming up. Once the machine lights stop flashing, wait until the timer resets to 0. Once that is done, you can click on the brew button that is next to the power button. Once your brew is complete, you can press the button at the end of the machine, the last button, to heat up your steamer and start frothing your milk. Once the button stops flashing, the timer resets and you can bring your milk pitcher closer and start frothing your milk to the desired consistency. complete your brew, you can add the milk to the espresso shot that you have. And for those of you like latte art, you can do your desired art. For those like me who have no clue on how to do these kind of arts, you can just swirl it around and you will have your perfect cappuccino. Hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to get your hands on the Gemini espresso.